Welcome everybody. In today's podcast I want to talk briefly about the wonder and magic of birds. I live in a country where we are trying to preserve our native birds who have been under attack for some time from different predators. But at this time of year, as the snow covers the mountains in the distance, I'm very lucky to hear the bellbirds singing to me across the valley. It is a special thing to witness and hear our birds. I think they are such fragile beings in many ways, but the fact that they can take flight gives them a unique perspective on things. Another bird that I always enjoy seeing is our fantail or pewaka waka. This little bird dances across the sky with its tail flared out like a fan, and as it gathers food it seems to dance with joy as it moves across the sky. They have special meaning for people, our native birds. But I think in the end they are all just reminders of our place in the environment and our place in the magical world of nature, and how we think we are better than, more intelligent than, more of all sorts of things because we are human. But I'm not sure we are as high up as we think we are if we think of the fantail dancing with joy across the horizon, as we struggle sometimes with so much stuff going inside our large brains and minds that causes us to be anxious, unhappy, finding no joy. So wherever you are, be on the lookout for the birds, because the birds do live the moment as they soar, dance, weave and fly across the sky, and listen to them in the morning if you're lucky enough to hear the bird song. Thanks for listening.